Explain the installation tutorial of ground radar. After receiving it, you can find the power adapter and the network cable under the radar. Take out the power adapter, untie the network cable. Find the network cable interface and connect the control head. Organize the coils and put them in the empty slot under the radar. The incoming line of the network is connected through this hole. From here to this lower bottom, the power cord is also the same through the hole and put it into the empty slot. Unscrew the coil of the power adapter. Then go in through the hole and connect with the power cord. After doing this, all the lines are hidden in the empty slot at the bottom. The only thing that comes out of the empty slot is a network cable and a power cable. Next is the fixing of the radar and the ground. Select the 3 holes of the radar pillar. Fix with expansion plug or expansion screw. This is the installation tutorial of radar and ground fixed.